Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to brand new tutorial about GBA emulators. Right here on my iPhone I have GBA4iOS emulator. As you can see, is the newest version of this GBA emulator. This works on Android as well, but you are probably looking for this video because of iOS version of GBA emulator. I have here Pokemon Emerald version. I'm gonna show you that this GBA emulator works for iOS in 2022. So GBA emulator iPhone is a perfectly well way to play Nintendo Game Boy Advance games. And what I wanted to say, this works on the newest iOS 16 version. As you already probably know, the newest iOS version is out there, iOS 16, and this GBA emulator works on that newest iOS version. So today I'm gonna show you how to get it. So let's start. So basically guys, to download the emulator, GBA emulator for iOS, you should visit this page here with your web browser. It's called iTweaked, so be sure to land on the proper website. On this page you can find many cool stuff for both iOS and Android, some kind of alternative store with apps that you cannot find in App Store or Play Store. Right here is GBA emulator, but as well you can use the search bar to look for many other emulators such as PSP, Delta, RetroArch. There is also DS emulator that you can search, just type INDS, and here it says emulator for Game Boy Advance and Game Boy Color games. So this is GBA4iOS emulator. Again, be sure to land on the proper website. So right now this whole process is gonna start, guys. It's gonna take you a couple of minutes. Be sure to do exactly the same thing that I'm doing on the screen, so try to replicate the whole process exactly as I'm doing. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell button so you will not miss any future episode. So right here, as you can see, it says thanks to our sponsors, all tutorials and apps are free. To keep them free, you have to download 2 of these sponsored apps and follow instructions that are written below every app. So basically after that you're gonna come to the final part of the tutorial in order to get GBA emulator for iOS. And I'm gonna show you right here how to do it. You can do any of these two, but I'm gonna show you what I recommend. So basically this one says to download the game and then reach Village 3, that's like level 3 inside of this game. All these apps are from the official app stores, they are completely safe. As you can see, this one has over 500,000 ratings. So I already downloaded this previously, and right here I'm gonna show you. So you have to come to the Village 3, that's like level 3, in order to get GBA emulator. I was playing this before and I got even to the village number 6, so this is crazy easy to do. And you don't have to come to the village 3, you don't have to come to the village number 6, village 3 is enough. But if I came even to the village 6, it means it's really easy to do. So basically just do these upgrades, and every time you do an upgrade this green bar is going through the right, and when it comes to the right you come to the next village, and that's it. To do upgrades you need to do these spins right here, and every time you do a spin you get either coins or chance to attack other people's village and stuff. And basically you just collect these coins by doing these spins, then you spend it on the upgrades, and when you reach village number 3 you are done. When you just start the game for the first time you will get tons of bonuses and stuff, and you don't need to do much upgrades to get to the village 3, so you can basically do it really fast. And if you run out of these spins every 60 minutes you get additional ones. So that's it for this app. It's really easy. When you reach village 3 you are done. I got even to the village 6, you don't have to, you can just come to the village 3 and then you go back to this page and do a second one. Again, you can do any of these you want. I recommend some of these apps, so try to do exactly as I'm doing. For example, this one says to just download the app and then run it for 30 seconds. That also sounds really easy. So again, really popular app, over 500,000 ratings. So basically just download it and then run it for 30 seconds. So I'll be back when it's downloaded. So the game is downloaded. Actually it's not a game, this is an app, so you just open it and stay there for half minute. If you want to be sure you can stay a little bit longer. Also I recommend to do some interaction with the applications, not just wait for half minute. Try to do some random stuff, you don't have to register, but try to do some interaction, type some information right here. It doesn't matter, just to be sure that app recognize that you are using it for a half minute. Again, I recommend also if you can stay a little bit longer, maybe a minute or two if you want to be sure, but again 30 seconds should be fine. But it's up to you actually how you want to do it in order to download GBA Emulator. So if you did everything right, when you go back and reload this page, you should come to the final part of the tutorial. There is no more ads there and everything is separated by device. You can get GBA4iOS emulator pretty soon. You can delete these apps, and that's it for this GBA Emulator iOS tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.